Hello.
Hey,
Can you tell me how old you are?
7.
7. What grade are you in?
First.
First grade. All right. Do you like school?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you like school?
Because we get to go to the playground and play.
That's the only reason why you like school.
And we get to play on the smart board.
Play on the smart board. Okay. Do you like your teachers at your school?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you like your teachers?
Because they're nice.
They're nice. Okay. Have you ever seen a teacher not be nice?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever seen a movie with teachers in it?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what happened in that movie with the teachers?
A little boy came in and said hello to his teacher and then went straight in to do his morning work.
Do you remember, was it a cartoon or was it a real movie?
A real movie.
Okay, have you seen any other movies with teachers in them?
Yes.
What other movies?
It was learning and teaching.
Learning and teaching. What happened in the movie?
It was when the teacher was teaching the boys and girls how to do addition and subtracting.
Okay. How was the teacher? How did she act?
She acted like
Was she nice to them while she was teaching them?
yes,
Did she listen to them while they were learning? Did she help them?
yes,
Yes. Have you ever seen a teacher on TV or in on a show not be nice?
yes.
Yeah. What happened?
The teacher, the teacher, she was being mean to the class, and she didn't let nobody say nothing.
They couldn't talk? Why? Did they get in trouble? Or she was just being mean?
She was just being mean.
So do you think that teachers, when they're, if you maybe read about them in a book or you see them on a movie, are they always like that in real life?
No.
No? Are there teachers who are sweet and nice just like you see on TV?
Yes.
Are there teachers who are mean like you say you see on TV?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Why do you think that lady was being not nice when she didn't let them talk?
Because her students wasn't listening to her.
They weren't listening to her, so she wasn't being nice. Do you think that if teachers are not nice, that they're bad teachers?
Yes.
You do? If they're not nice, they're bad teachers? And if they're nice, they're good teachers? Is that what you think?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. What's your, I have one more question for you, okay? You already told me your favorite thing to do at school, and if you like your teachers, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to work at the nail salon.
You want to work at the nail salon. All right. Thank you so much.